This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we're dealing with the Miele Dishwasher with an F14 error, which indicates that the circulation pump is not able to create enough water pressure to really clean the dishes, and you get the intake drain light error or maybe F14 on the display. You know you have an F14 error problem when the circulation pump activates for maybe 10-20 seconds and it cuts off, then it turns back on, activates, then turns back off numerous times. For this to happen, the very first part of the cycle is okay and normal, but after it drains the water and does the next cycle, the pumping should be more continuous. There are many things that can cause an F14 problem where the circulation pump won't pump continuously. One of the easy things to fix and pretty inexpensive to fix is the capacitor. So we're going to correct this today by adding a new motor capacitor. So first we're going to make sure we have unplugged it or turned off the breaker so we don't have power. Prior to that, it'd be good to make sure you have run a drain cycle so you've gotten most all the water out of the dishwasher. There'll still be a little bit left in the sump, but it's good to get rid of as much as you can. And we're going to remove the filter, and then using a turkey baster and a cup, we'll just get rid of the 1 or 2 inches that is left in the sump. This way, when you turn it on its side, there won't be as much water that'll end up on the floor. So we pulled it out away from the cabinet, and because they've given you usually enough of a drain tube length and also intake length, it's pretty easy to pull it out of the cabinet without having to uninstall those parts. We're going to take off the drip pan now.
Now let us get this drip plate off. Is remove the capacitor, and I want to short out these 2 terminals with a screwdriver that has a plastic handle, because this can carry a fair amount of voltage. It can be dangerous. So if you short it out like that, then the voltage is gone. Just for safety's sake, we're going to remove these terminal connections, and then we'll just bolt on a new one. Go. Just removing this one little nut that holds it in. It's the old one. Comes a new one. You need to install it with the identifying marks on the outside. Just that could help another technician. That tight. Put these on. Alright, and then just take a second, double check everything. All the connections are on. Okay, we'll put the drip pan back on. Okay. Okay, we have those back on. I'm going to put these shoes back on. So, put this on first. Don't want the little worm drive that goes on the back one. The front one. Okay, there's one. Worm drive. Okay, so we're gonna
So now we need to either plug it back in or turn the breaker back on, and then we can test it to see if the circulation motor is able to run correctly now. So after testing, it did a great job, so we're back to a healthy dishwasher. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.